In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually increase your conversions by doing this one simple tip to actually add a timer to your Etsy products. I want to share that all with you coming up next. Welcome back to my video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to add a timer to your product and why you need to do this right now to help increase your overall conversion. All right, so one of the reasons why you want to add a timer is because that will help you increase your overall conversions because it brings a sense of urgency. And so the way you do this is simply go to your dashboard in your settings. You want to head over to marketing, and you want to actually add a sale. Now, the problem with people when they do this is that they have their sale last for like 3, 4, 5, maybe even for the whole month. And again, if you want to get that little timer at the bottom so you can actually create some sense of urgency. So I'm going to go in and create a new offer. I'm going to run a sale. So next thing you want to do is figure out what percentage of the sale you want to actually do. Again, I think anything below 25 is good. So 25, 30, 40 is great, but I'm going to set it for 25 today. And next you want to do is go down and actually go to the duration of the sale, and you want to run a daily sale. And the reason why you want to do that is this is where you're going to get that little feature of the timer. And Etsy uses that feature to help increase your conversions in different ways. They get a pop-up if somebody's shopping or viewing the product in your store. When people add it to the cart, they get a timer there. You get the timer on your product listing. So this has a lot of benefits. So you want to run daily sales. So just click on the day that you're running the sale, the time it starts, and the day that it ends is today. You can add some terms and conditions if you want, but the overall point here is that you want to set this as a daily sale. All right, so I put in my little code here, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. And this is where you're able to include the listing that you want for that particular sale. So again, if you want all of your listings to be on the daily sale where you get that timer, then just go here and click all of your listings. But if you want a timer for one individual product, maybe it's a product that you know is selling very well and you want to, help increase that conversion, then you'll just isolate that particular sale for this particular product. So you just type in the name of your product here. And for my example today, this is what I'm going to do. And as you can see, I have my product here that's only going to have that sale, and this is the only product that's going to have that timer. So go in and make sure everything is set for the sale you're running for your product, and you just hit confirm. And that is it. So I want to show you how this timer is going to be displayed on your listing. So I'm just going to use one of my stores for example. I have several stores that I'm actually selling products on, but as you can see, if you click on the listing, you actually have this timer next to the add to cart. And again, this small little feature is really what helps the buyer get over that hump and purchase with you. So again, you want to create that sense of urgency where people believe, hey, I got to get this sale now. Of course, do all the other tips I'm sharing with you in my video about providing massive value so that the customer can have a reason to check out with you. But this is good if you know you have a lot of products and a lot of people are coming and liking your products and they're just coming viewing your products, but nobody's coming to check out with you. You might need to create that little sense of urgency to help that person actually complete the process of buying your product. Now, what's pretty cool about this is not only do you get it on your listing page, but if they add it to the cart, they actually get it at the end of the checkout. That means that it is a further sense of urgency to check out with you because I see that the sale is going to end. And if somebody has viewed your product or maybe added to the cart but haven't purchased with you in that day, Etsy will actually give you a little pop-up for your customers to see that this item is about to end with the sale. So this is the pop-up I'm talking about, where Etsy will show your customer that the sale is about to end, especially if they add it to the cart. And so this is what I mean by running daily sales. You don't get this feature if you're not running sales at all, or maybe if you're running long-term sales. This is what you get when you are running daily sales. You get that little pop-up to help convert the buyer to check out with you. And again, this little pop-ups just increase that overall urgency that I need to check out with you. And again, this is allowing Etsy to motivate the buyer again to check out with you. So they can simply check out here, and again, it takes them back to the checkout process to actually complete their purchase. So as you can see, there are a lot of benefits to running daily sales on your products. Again, if you're getting a lot of traffic to your shop and again, a lot of people favoring your items, but you're not getting any conversions, then try out, right? Test out running daily sales to see how that works for you in your shop. As you can see, adding this timer is very easy to do, but it can make a major difference in your shop. If you want to see more tips and strategies just like in this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do weekly content just like this, helping you create and sell your own digital products online. And at any time you got value in today's video, let me know by hitting a like down below. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.